Can artificial intelligence replace the job of web designer? This is the question that terrifies modern days web designers and developers, keeping them up at night. Artificial intelligence is producing a high-quality digital experience at a lower cost, along with creating or making the tasks of a web designer easy and smoother. As predicted, machine will be able to write a code themselves one day. But it is important to not forget that machine will take our code as a reference and help us along our workflow. However, a developer will be needed for the initial input. Similarly, while talking about automation, in HTML, artificial intelligence can make a HTML structure. Nowadays, JPEG to HTML and many other tools are there available which keep the corresponding HTML of any website. Now going on CSS. CSS cannot be perfectly automated by the artificial intelligence because it is almost difficult to make the CSS automatically only by watching it an image. Thus, it requires human intervention. Now moving to our JavaScript. Customization in JavaScript is too much difficult. We know that client-side JavaScript requires the logic, but there is no such logic in artificial intelligence. Thus, the most important kind of intelligence will not be artificial intelligence, but the collective intelligence, which includes both the people as well as the artificial intelligence. Therefore, using artificial intelligence for the web design should not be viewed as a binary replacement for option for the human creativity. Instead, artificial intelligence can be looked as a powerful extension for the creative process. So the future can be imagined as the web designer's coordination with the artificial intelligence for creating the more optimal user experience. So, if you are a web developer, then you can rest easy that the artificial intelligence and robots will not eliminate your job anytime soon. I believe around upcoming 20 years, web development career is totally safe.